Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am just doing a try on of an Amazon wig that was marketed as someone's real hair. So I stumbled upon this wig because these wigs that I've been loving from Amazon, I just went to their shop and started going crazy. And I noticed that there was a wig, but the marketing picture for it was my girl Alexis Crown. So I was like, I'm gonna order that just so I could do a video for you guys and see whether it's actually like Alexis Crown afro or if it's cap. And why are we still using people's real hair photos to sell wigs? I don't know, but let's get into it. So I'm gonna take this wig off. Again, that wig is in my Amazon shop, so if you guys are interested in checking it out, feel free to do so. This is the wig. I already took it out of the box, and it has the same tag on it and everything. And this wig it's a little bit different than the other wig. This one only has a clip at the front of the wig, and then it has those clips in the back of the wig where you can adjust it. So I'm gonna adjust the clips in the back of the wig, if y'all can see that. And then like I said, it only has one clip in the front of the wig. So one thing I will say about this wig before I put it on is I love that it has a clip at the front of the head. I wish these wigs came with a 1, 2, 3 clip, because the one that has 2 clips on the side, it keeps it secure. But if you throw your head back real hard, which I don't know why you would be throwing your head back real hard, but in the event that you did, there's no security right at the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. And I'm gonna slide this clip at the front. And again, there's no clips on the side. It's literally just cap and wig. And initially out the box, this is what it looks like. And I know it looked crazy, but we gonna tweak it and see if it can mimic Alexis hair. So off rip, I'm gonna let y'all know Alexis hair is way longer than this. So lengthwise, it's not giving Alexis hair. So now I'm just picking it out, and honestly, it's giving brushed out curly hair. And the shape is also interesting. I can already let you know that this wig doesn't feel as secure without those 2 clips on the side. But this is just a rough picking out sesh, and I'm gonna trim some of this hair by my face. Okay, so this is what it looks like picked out. I mean, it's giving afro, yes, but I personally, it looks like a football helmet on me. Maybe I need to I don't know, put it behind it. I think it looks like a football helmet on me. I don't think this is what Alexis' hair looked like. I mean, I've seen her hair, and I don't think it looks like this at all, actually. It is giving afro, don't get me wrong, but it's giving a 70s afro wig. It's giving very much wig. If I wore this in public, I feel like people would think it's a wig. I think the main reason why is because I don't know, I can't see my ears, and there's no kind of parting situation. Because maybe if it had a part or something, it'd be more be giving, or it'd be looking a little bit better. Maybe you could part it like this a little bit. And try and give it a part. But at that point you're exposing, you know, your hair. So this is what the wigs look. This is what the wig looks like. If you don't like this look, then save your money. You're welcome. I tried it for you first. But yeah, I have to rule this as a flop, and this is not giving Alexis hair, period. So if you want Alexis crown hair, watch her YouTube tutorials and IG reels, because she will, you know, coach you up on how she get her fro flowing. But this ain't, I don't think this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review of this Amazon wig. If there are other Amazon wigs that you guys want me to try out, please comment them down below, because I am definitely interested in getting my hands on some more wigs to see whether they a flop or not. So if you guys enjoy videos like this, make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe. And y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to full. Bye, y'all.
Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.